12 metres. I've got a few people in the boat today. I've got Will next to me, I've got Chris behind me, and Archie's back there too somewhere. Say hi, Arch. So yeah, it's been a few days because it's been really rough. We'll see how we go, see when we get there. Alright.
There's always drop netters over there.
Yeah, must be some good reefy stuff out there. Alright, 50% chance that these will be stuck. Well, you'll be able to get the rope bit up and then Chris can just do the last bit.
Here we go. Alright, you can hold that. Pull it, pull it in. Pull.
It's a group effort here.
Pull. Pull, keep pulling. You're doing it all good.
We're not getting it yet. The rope's really muddy. You can see all the mud coming off it.
Do we have one? Yes, we do.
Yes, we got one. We got two.
Let's have a look.
Well done, boys!
Yes.
Woo!
Nice work, sir.
My CD's so
Your hand's really sandy too. Yeah. Just wait for Dad to get it out.
I don't want to get you.
No. Calm your farm, Cray. And there's a little one that'll chuck back, I reckon. Look at him go. He's awesome.
Oh my god, that's it.
Hold him right at the top there, that's it. Nice. Let's get a photo of that arch, hang on.
Chuck this one out for me.
Can you twist it a little bit for me? That's it, hold it up a bit high, there you go. Nice. You holding one? No.
Don't forget to smile.
No, yeah, no, we're going to keep that one.
Don't throw that out.
No. He can live up there for now.
Will's already thrown him out.
Okay, pot number 2.
Get ready, Arch.
Can we get 2 from 2?
Here we go. Here we go.
Here it comes.
Oh no.
You got him?
Get it. Got it. Lift her in.
Well done.
Hopefully you have some.
You get this one.
Will the crayfish eat the bait?
Keep going.
No, not in the bucket. It's too frozen at the moment. They wouldn't be able to get into it.
Keep pulling, Arch. You're doing it before. Keep pulling.
The water looks lovely.
Doesn't it? Nice colour.
I don't want to jump in, but I'm not going to.
It would be cold.
Oh, I reckon we might have one. Yes, we do.
Yeah, that'll be a keeper.
Close.
Looks like a girl.
Do the girls bite more?
Nah.
Oh,
Oh, Dad.
Oh, I see the ear.
ah!
There you go, yeah? Rookie mistake.
Ready?
Yep. Oh, it might be under actually.
It's just scary as
Sorry for the antenna, mate.
Yeah, just out, about 3 mils. Sorry, buddy. At least you still got one. There he goes. Oh, he's upside down. He's not going to sneak up on you. Alright, here we go. We're at the right angle.
Can I pull this one?
Who's getting this one?
You won't grab it?
Alright, here it comes. We're right on top of a ledge there that just went off it. So that was a good placement.
Oh, my hands are so.
Yeah, that was a real nice ledge. Alright, I'll turn off. Yeah, but a real good structure there. We were in a real good spot. I'll take a photo of that. Nothing! Oh. Because I torqued it up.
Careful, Archie.
I'll put it here.
No,
You try.
just grab his antlers.
Yeah. Grab it out. Yeah. Now chuck it out. Chuck it out.
It's your bedtime, sweetie.
There it goes.
He's back.
Well done. Is he sinking? There you go. Oh, look at him go. He's going across the top. Awesome. I just realised where the rope was going, so I'm going to go this way.
You pull him up. Yeah.
Alright, lucky last. further away for you?
Yeah. I was about to get in my hands and go through the hole and pick it up.
Ah, okay. There's a ledge just there we've just come across.
He's coming.
So we didn't place them too badly.
No.
Yeah, it was just sitting in front of the ledge.
Oh, you're pulling one in? I think there's some in there.
Want to see one?
No, alright, one it is. It was
One is better than
it
none.
was a long break between drinks.
One is better than none. Oh, wait! It happened!
Right at Bubbles.
Hold on!
There's,
Grab it, Archie! Get your net ready, Archie!
here it comes. It's a floater.
Come this side,
Right, which side you going? From that side. Alright, here we go. We've got a rescue mission. Here it comes.
Did I call you by mistake?
Got him, Arch.
Oh,
Did
sorry.
you get him?
We just lost
Got him! Yes!
had in the ocean. And I must have called you in my pocket. I apologise. Are you working? Sorry, mate.
Alright, we're underway today. It's on this slightly bigger size for us. I'd go a kilo actually. I was going to say 900, but it's quite heavy. It's got one big claw missing at the front there. So a kilo. Oh, bigger than that. 1.1 with that front claw missing. It would have been probably 1.2 with it on. Not bad. Happy with that.